If your Google voice typing missing on Android keyboard, don't worry, you can follow this guide easily, fix it now. So let's get started. First, grab your phone, open any messages or messenger app where your keyboard is appear. After your keyboard appear, you can try to find the voice microphone icon. If you found it, that's great, simply use it. However, keep in mind, if you don't find the voice microphone icon there, this means you can accidentally turn off. To turn them on, simply tap on the settings gear icon to open the settings page. After that, scroll down slowly, locate at the voice typing option, tap to open it. At the very top, you can see use voice typing option. Right now, this option is turned off by default my phone. Simply tap on the toggle switch to turn it on first. After it turn on, go back to the keyboard appear page, and this time you can see the voice typing microphone icon there. Simply tap on it and automatically speak there. That's it guys, how you can easily fix it. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.